Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khatwai terek ubnai risau, ka kanhon menteri jong Sorkar Meghalaya United Alliance 2, kalarai ban Pynhiar no ikut Tulop jong ki MLA, na ka baki juyo baros kata ka bayaran kad bat ka Tulop jong ki menteri Sorkar. Ka kanhon menteri henne kasngi, kalarai ban khate no Haduh Prahajar tingka na ka arlak 10,000 tingka ka Tulop sibnai jong ki MLA, ka baki juyo man lau benai ban nang ni sakman kinyo Tulop no satang arlang 4,000 tingka sibnai. Habakran hakinong pathai kubor hadin ke jelang jong ka kanhon menteri. Menteri rangba ke jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma. Haba banrap ya ke jingkran jong Martin M. Dango. Loong ba ke nekarai ban Pynhiar no ya ke Tulop jong ki MLA. Kalong ban lait na ke jing Pynkiew Tulop pat ya ki menteri Sorkar bat kumjo ya kumjo kum menteri rangba ke jela.
In the last budget sessions we have passed an amendment to increase the salary of the MLAs amounting to 2,10,000 per month. However, after careful examination, we are further going to we have decided to amend and it will be reduced by 8,000. So now total emoluments of the MLS will come to 2,02,000.
As indicated by the Honourable Minister, the earlier S was amended through the bill which was considered by the August House and as assented by the Honourable Governor. The salary of the MLS remained at 2,10,000. Now the ordinance proposes to bring it down to 2,02,000. That's it. So we are reducing it by 8,000 per month. Because if we don't reduce it, then we'll have to increase the salary of the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Ministers. So since we don't want to increase it, then we are reducing it, okay, to ensure that the salary of MLS don't go beyond the salary of Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Minister.
Kajelang henne kasni kalarai ro ban perung no iki kendon bathamai jong ka Regulation Energy Conservation Act 2001 bat da ka basyem yakini ki kendon barok ki yeng bat ki jingtai jong ka Sorkar kenha ban pandai no da ki ter thamai ban penduna ya ke jing bam boarding electric bat da kane kelenti ka Meghalaya kanyele ban penduna ro ya ke jing kala kasun meneng.
Do all that is necessary to bring down our energy conservation, energy consumption. In other words, to have effective measures put in place through various regulations to ensure energy conservation and somehow ensure that, okay, the spirit of this old adage that charity begins at home applies, government also must implement. Therefore, under this regulation, what is going to happen is that all the government buildings, all the government establishments, which will be installing all these electrical appliances, equipments, will henceforth install only those as prescribed under this regulation. And we will also take measures to again replace all the existing appliances in sync with this your specification, which will improve the energy your consumption.
Habakran pat halor kesan pertai hak jela Menteri rangba ke jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma wala kop da kabaong baka National People's Party ke NPP kan omyo sibon seat hak election MLA ke ban Solong House nam arja khatpra.
But as far as NPP is concerned, I am assuring you that they will remain at single digit. Okay, single digit. They will not cross single digit.
You mean to say in the state or
in the state? In the state. You can go and be analytical again. Have a quick survey. I have already received the survey report of other political parties also, who have told me about their survey report. Okay. So, we will have a stable government, very strong and stable government. 1 or 2 constituencies where there is a vacuum created, we don't mind. Okay? As simple as that.